In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autosave an Excel file in OneDrive. Let's jump right in and walk through the whole process together so you never lose your work again. Start by opening Excel from the Start menu on your computer. Once Excel launches, look at the left sidebar of the Start screen and click on Open. After that, click Browse and navigate to your desktop to select the workbook you want to work with. Go ahead and pick the file, then let it open up in Excel. With your workbook now open, head back up to the top and click File. From the menu that appears, choose Save As. On the Save As screen, look at the left sidebar and select OneDrive. This is the key step because saving the file directly to OneDrive is what allows AutoSave to function. Now enter a file name for your workbook. Take a moment to give it something clear and easy to recognize. And once you're happy with the name, click Save to send the file up to OneDrive. Next, we're going to flip the AutoSave toggle on. Look at the very top left corner of the Excel title bar, just to the left of the Save icon. You'll see a small switch labeled AutoSave. Click that toggle to turn it on. In most cases, the moment you save a file to OneDrive, this toggle is enabled automatically. But if it isn't, simply click it once to switch it to the on position. Now your file is saved to OneDrive and AutoSave is active. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Let's confirm AutoSave is actually working by making a couple of changes to the spreadsheet. First, click on cell C3, which holds the actual amount for groceries. Once that cell is selected, type the new value, 450, into the cell. After typing 450, press Enter to commit the change. Now keep your eyes on the title bar at the top of the window. Right next to the file name, you'll briefly see the word Saving, and then it will switch to read Save to OneDrive. Personal. There's no need to press Ctrl+S at all. Let's try one more cell to be sure. Click on cell C6, which is the dining out actual value. Type the new amount, 195, into that cell, and press Enter once you're done. Watch the title bar again, and you should see the same autosave indicator pop up, confirming that every change is being written to OneDrive in real time. That's the main result. The autosave toggle in the top left of Excel's title bar now reads On. Every edit you make is saved to OneDrive automatically, which means you can close Excel without pressing Save. And the latest version will be available on any device where you open the file from OneDrive. Now let's cover an optional extra step that turns autosave on by default for all new OneDrive files, so we don't have to toggle it each time. Start by clicking File in the top left corner of Excel. Then look down at the bottom of the left sidebar and click Options. This opens the Excel Options dialog box. Inside that dialog, click Save in the left sidebar. You'll now see a section called Save Workbooks. Look through the items in that section until you find the checkbox labeled AutoSave OneDrive and SharePoint Online Files by default on Excel. Tick that checkbox to enable the setting. Once it's ticked, click OK at the bottom of the dialog to apply your changes and close the window. From this point forward, any workbook you open from OneDrive will start with AutoSave already switched on. You won't have to flip the toggle manually every single time you start working on a file. Your changes will simply save themselves as you go. And that's everything you need to know about autosaving an Excel file in OneDrive. You've now got a workbook that backs itself up continuously, a confirmed autosave indicator in the title bar, and a default setting that keeps things working smoothly for every future file you pull from OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.